कि इस कलयुग में यदि हमें सेवा करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हो जाए तो शायद हमारा ये जीवन सफल हो जाए। इसके लिए मैंने कुछ गुल्लक बनाई, लोगों से निवेदन किया कि क्या आप दिन में एक आदमी को भोजन कराने का संकल्प ले सकते हैं। अगर हमें हंगर फ्री वर्ल्ड की रचना करनी है, इस भारत को हंगर इंडेक्स से निकालना है, तो इसके लिए थोड़ा सा काम करने की जरूरत है।
To identify the most deserving candidates, the entries were classified in 12 award categories. Each category was focused on efforts that improve the quality of life for fellow Indians. Overwhelmed with nominations across each category, every initiative was understood, evaluated and acknowledged by a distinguished panel of judges who identify the most exceptional deeds.
This bright future of our country, of Viksit Bharat, is going to be a collective mission and a result of the collective efforts of millions of Indians who are, in my opinion, going to be inspired by stories of these Indians today who are the amazing Indians.
I think Amazing Indians is a great concept. I think we need to, in subsequent years, widen it out, rewarding them for making contributions.
These unsung heroes have been a source of inspiration for all Indians to strive towards becoming Amazing Indian.
Each one is, amazing. It's really amazing.
It's a great initiative. So I think the team did a fantastic job.
Let me start off by saying that it was a very difficult job to select winners amongst so many people who have done exemplary work.
Common by appearance, uncommon by deeds. They are a fountainhead of inspiration for us to build a glorious future for all.
These awards are very important. वो एक दिए से दूसरा दिया जलता है. So I think वो एक दिए से दूसरा दिया Amazing Indian जला रहा है.
It is time to spread the light to 1,000 flames. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and esteemed honorees, it is now time for recognition and celebration of the extraordinary Amazing Indians. Presenting the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2024.
Let's move on to our next category, food management and nutrition. From environment sustainability, let's turn our focus to the category of food management and nutrition, where Vishal Singh's Vijay Shri Foundation has been getting the blessings of hundreds of people who attend to their relatives in numerous hospitals of Lucknow.
ये सेवा पथ का रास्ता निरंतर चलते आज लगभग 16 साल निरंतर हो गए। एक अस्पताल से 2 अस्पताल, 2 अस्पताल से 3 अस्पताल, धीरे धीरे हम लोग आगे बढ़ते चले गए। लगभग 1000 लोगों पर डे अस्पताल में भोजन कराना।
Vishal, who named his initiative after his father Vijay, faced many hurdles while finding a place in hospitals to carry out the work for his charitable foundation. But once he got the support of those who believed in him, there was no looking back.
It is not only a service to the society but to the nation also, and many of us are also contributing in this. I am seeing this since last 10-15 days. It was started from KGMU, but this foundation is now giving food free of cost in many hospitals of KGMU, including Ramanohar Lohia Hospital, Civil Hospital, Balrampur Hospital. That is a very good thing that the patients' relatives, those who are coming from different districts and different states, they have nothing here. They don't have any other relatives or something like that. So it is very helpful for them.
For the patients who come from far and are not able to afford outside food, Vishal's kitchen has come as a godsend.
हम लोग जो कैंसर पीड़ित तीमारदार हैं, अन्य बीमारी से तीमारदार हैं, उनके पास हम लोगों ने वार्डों में जाकर टोकन देना शुरू किया और फिर वह लोग वहां पर आते हैं। जैसा कि आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा या कभी भी आप फूडमैन विशाल सिंह देखकर सर्च करेंगे, जितने भी लोग आते हैं उन्हें प्रेम भाव से चौकी पर बैठाकर संकल्प ये लिया था कि जैसे एक बिटिया की शादी रोज होगी, उस विचार से जब तक कर पाऊंगा तब तक करूंगा।
Vishal had to face tough times like being forsaken by his family for his passion to help the needy. But he took everything in his stride and became stronger in his mission.
मैं कई बार डिप्रेशन में भी गया, क्योंकि सबसे पहले मेरे परिवार ने मेरा तिरस्कार किया। उन्होंने कहा कि पागल हो गया है।
After many years of single-minded dedication, Vishal has been able to establish a name which attracts many beneficiaries at various hospitals in Lucknow.
बहुत अच्छा खाना खिलाते हम लोग को, तो मतलब सहारा उन्हीं को सहारा है, तो हम कहाँ जाते, कहाँ खाते हैं, कितना होटल में खाते हैं, मरीजों की इलाज करते हैं। लाए हैं 10,000 रुपया घर से, सारा जांचे मेरा चला गया। अब मेरे पास पैसे भी नहीं है, मैं कहाँ जा सकूं?
Not everyone is sparing their time, and currently if talk to me like I'm coming from a corporate, I know time is really important, and if someone is really dedicating his whole life, he's been working for last 16 years for this cause. So it's a long period. Trust me, he's a godsend.
When faced with the paucity of funds, Vishal Singh started a new initiative which involved the local community and the special days in their lives.
इसी व्यवस्था को और सुचारू करने के लिए हम लोगों ने लोगों से कहा कि अपना बर्थडे बनाएं, अपनी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी बनाएं। तो धीरे धीरे समाज भी आगे आया, उन्होंने मदद की, कुछ लोग आए, उन्होंने मदद, कुछ बड़े अधिकारी हैं, उन्होंने मदद की।
As a mark of recognition and appreciation for Vijay Shri Foundation, the government of Uttar Pradesh gave Vishal Singh and his team the responsibility of taking care of the people's food requirements at various hospitals during the COVID-19 pandemic.
कोविड काल के दौरान जब लोग बाग भूखे प्यासे इन रास्तों पर गुजर रहे थे, तो आपदा एवं राहत विभाग के माध्यम से हम लोगों ने 7.5 लाख लोगों को ऑन रिकॉर्ड, जिसका हमारे पास डाटा है, वो हम लोगों ने दिया। 5 कम्युनिटी किचन बनाए। ये जो कम्युनिटी किचन नाम है, मेरी मुख्य सचिव थे अवनीश अवस्थी जी, उनसे बात हुई, उनसे एक विचार हुआ। लखनऊ के डीएम थे अभिषेक प्रकाश जी, उनके साथ बात हुई और उन्होंने कहा कि विशाल किस तरह से किया जाए, क्योंकि मुझे अनुभव था।
Vishal is now aiming very high. He wants to get India out of the global hunger index and is campaigning for people to donate food every day.
Honorable Minister Kiran Rijiju, we'd request you to please stay on with us on the dais. We'd also like to invite on stage Renu Sood Karnat. She's the chairperson of GlaxoSmithKline and a board member of HDFC Bank. She's going to help us honor the amazing Indians, the next set of categories here.
Yes, and what we are talking about is food management and nutrition, and ensuring, remember, nutrition equity remains to still be a cause of concern, a cornerstone for India's all efforts to combat hunger, malnutrition, with the central pool holding a substantial surplus of more than 608 lakh metric tons of food grains as of the July Meghna of 2024.
So here are the nominations for this category. Take a look at this.
In the category of food management and nutrition, the nominees are Deepankar Patil, founder Art of Helping Foundation. Pune-based Deepankar helps the elderly orphans with food and medicine requirements and provides psychological support for their entire lives. Vishal Singh, founder Vijay Shri Foundation. Vishal provides disabled attendance across various hospitals in Lucknow with free meals and brings joy to sick children with toys and movie screenings. Aanchal Sharma, social worker. Aanchal's relentless service to provide meals to the underprivileged, elderly and disabled individuals across Delhi has helped thousands. Pankaj Gupta, founder Nourishing Hope. Pankaj has been organizing nutritious meals to the needy in Gurugram's urban slums, which has improved their health and economic prospects. Radhika Gupta, founder Food Shala Foundation. Radhika empowers Delhi's slum children with nutrition literacy, leading to a drastic reduction in junk food consumption and an increase in healthy eating.
And the winner of the Amazing Indian 2024 under the category for food management and nutrition is Vishal Singh. There's a lot of excitement, isn't it? After all, in 2009, Vishal Singh saw a pressing need when he encountered families struggling in dire circumstances. Motivated by their plight, he founded the Vijay Shri Foundation to offer critical support. His efforts began with providing free meals to hospital attendants and sick children, and soon he expanded to constructing a night shelter at the Trauma Center in Lucknow. A big round of applause for him.
Vishal ji, बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep the applause coming for all our amazing Indians.